Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ballerina Peppermintina. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head with a line across. And then from each end, let's bring it down and curve it in. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now top over to the left and let's draw the handle with a curve down and in. And another one inside. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start with two curves up for the tops of the eyes. And let's thicken this line up slightly. And then add a curve at the bottom. Now top inside each of the eyes and let's draw a large circle. And then another circle on the top left. And one more on the bottom right. Now we're going to add the pupil in the center by drawing two curves like this. And then color them both in black. And lastly, for the eyes, let's hop out and let's draw two eyelashes on each eye. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop on top and draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve on top of each eye. And then let's bring it up in the center. And another curve going out on top. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's hop down and let's draw an oval in the center for the nose. And then for the mouth, let's draw a curve underneath. And another one under it like this. And lastly, for the face, let's draw an oval underneath each eye for the cheeks. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top and draw the hat. Let's start on top of the head and let's draw an angle up to the left. And then let's bring it up. And then a long curve over to the right side. Now for the end, let's bring it back down and in. Now to hop back up to the top, we're going to step in and let's draw a curve up and over to the right. Now to hop down to the bottom right and let's draw a small curve up. Now from the top, let's curve it down. And another small curve next to it. And then let's add a circle at the end. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the body. We'll start with 2 curves down underneath in the center. And then let's angle it up. And close it off with 2 points like this. Now underneath, let's draw the sides of the body with 2 lines down. Then underneath in the center, let's draw the belt. Let's start with a large square for the belt buckle. And another square inside. Now for the belt, let's draw a line out from each side. Bring it down. And back in. Now on top of the belt, inside the top here, let's draw 2 circles. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve out and up. And another one underneath. Now at the ends, let's draw a larger curve. Bring it out from each end. And close it off to form a curved rectangle. And now for the hands, let's draw a small bump up for the thumbs. And a larger one up and back down to finish off each hand. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and let's draw the bottom of the dress. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back down and let's finish off the bottom of the dress. Let's draw 2 angles down and out underneath the belt. And then let's add a bumpy line across the bottom. Now let's continue that bumpy line underneath and across. And that's it for the dress. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's start with a line down in the center. And then 2 angles in on the sides. Now to add the feet, let's draw a long curve down and back up on each side. And then let's add a curve across at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a circle on top of each foot. And lastly, for the legs, let's draw some curved stripes. And that's it for Ballerina Peppermintina. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!